So, we're at 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Starting it now.
Take it.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna see how long it takes for two girls to start a four-wheeler. And it's cold and there's nothing heated up. Started yet. Do I flip it up?
Do you, I think you flip it up, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try not to choke all the way. Check the gas.
Is there enough gas in there?
Wait, can you shine your light?
I can't shine my light. I don't have one.
I think it's empty.
There's no gas in there. No wonder it won't start.
There's some, but I don't think there's enough. Okay. So, I get some gas in there.
We need gas.
I think it's out of gas.
No, it won't start so cold.
So it doesn't start.
Well, you heard him. Hold on, we need to say this for the camera.
What?
Say this for the camera.
No, it's hard. No.
It's hard to start in the cold, did you say?
Four-wheeler, are you trying to start?
Josh.
Josh's four-wheeler.
Cold to choke?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, just pulling.
He said just keep pulling. Obviously, guys, there's ice out here, so, you know, it's cold. Josh said it won't start because it's cold. So, I mean, if he can't start it when it's cold, I don't think we can. But, you know, we'll try. We'll try. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with trying. My fingers are going numb because I've been holding the camera and I can't wear gloves. Yep. Whoa, we got it!
Okay. Turn off the choke.
Ah.
It's wet. Okay. Let's. I actually did not expect it to start that bad.
And, oh, well, we got it started at least, you know. It's not running, but it started. Hey, 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 look it. Come on, don't quit, don't quit. Yeehaw! What's the time on it? Time, get a time.
Time is 4 minutes and 53 seconds.
Under 5 minutes, look at that.